Welcome back to the another part of this AutoCAD series. So in today's lesson we'll learn about rotate, mirror and scale tool. So first let's start with rotate tool. You can find it here in the modify panel, or you can simply start the tool by pressing RO in the command line and enter it. So after invoking the tool, the command line is asking to select the object. So I'll select this triangle for now and press enter. And now I need to specify the base point. So I'll take this point as a base point to rotate. I'll click on it, and now I can rotate my triangle. I can even specify the angle at which I need to rotate. Let's take 170 for now and press enter. So I have rotated my triangle at the angle of 170. So press Ctrl Z so it will be back to its original place. And let's again invoke the tool. Press arrow and enter. Select the object, press enter, specify the base point, and here you can see there is a copy written here. So if I'll click on this copy, the triangle in its original position will be stayed at it is, and I can rotate. This is how it is done. So now let's get into the another tool, that is mirror. Click on mirror and I'll use rectangle. This time I'll click in the rectangle and press enter. And now I need to specify the first point of the mirror line. So mirror line first point, so I'll press here as my starting point of the mirror and second point of the mirror. Now the command line is asking me to erase the source object. So this will be my source object. If I want to erase it, I can simply click on yes to erase it, and if I don't want to erase it, click on the no. For now I'll click no. So here you can see I have mirrored the rectangle tool. So the next tool that we will learn today is scale. So click on the scale tool here, and after that the command line is asking me to specify the object. So I would again take this rectangle uh, and I'll press enter. So now it is asking me to specify the base point. So this will be my base point, and after clicking here you can see copy here. So copy would work same as here we have done during the rotate tool. I can scale it as per my wish, any big or small, or you can simply type the value that you want to scale. So for now I just type 20 and press enter. So here you can see I have drawn a big rectangle from this small one, and now the command line is asking me to select the object. So I'll take this rectangle, I'll press enter. Now it is asking me to specify the base point, so I'll take this point as my base point, and now we'll use this reference. So I'll click here in the reference, and now I need to provide the reference point for scaling the tool, scaling this rectangle. So I'll take this side of my rectangle as reference. So I'll click here in this point and another point. So here you can see I have taken this side of my rectangle as reference to scale the rectangle. So here I have done it, I have scaled it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.